head to mistletoes. Oh, there's no road that could ever smell as sweet or look as good enough to eat. There's nothing like a city block of hanging boys where I just wanna curl up by the fire, pour a couple cups of cider and roast all those marshmallows that hung up in the trees and lined the both sides of the street, just like a scene from a snow globe. So baby, let's go take a stroll down to Candy Cane Lane. You'll be all aglow from your head to mistletoes. Oh, there's no road that could ever smell as sweet or look as good enough to eat. There's nothing like a city block of hanging boys where I just wanna curl up by the fire, pour a couple cups of cider and roast all those marshmallows that had a pinch of cinnamon, and suddenly the world begins to taste like December. And you'll always remember, come and go to Candy Cane Lane. Just a couple leaves from the minty sugar sticks, and everything turns